Welcome to Quick Insight Kids, where fun meets learning.
What can fly? An elephant, a bird, or a crocodile? Yes, a bird can fly. What gives us light at night? Moon, tree, or fish?
Who says moo? A dog, a cow, a cat. Oh, it's a cow.
What color is a ripe banana? Yellow, red, purple. Woo, it's yellow. What comes after number 6? Number 8, number 7, number 5. Yes, it's number 7. What is 3 plus 2? 2, 5, 6? It's 5. Which one can you drink? Milk, bread, teddy? Obviously milk. Ha ha ha. Which one can jump? Frog, elephant, snake. Frog. Which one is cold and made of ice? Ice cream, fire, bread? It's ice cream. Do you love ice cream? Which one gives us milk? Cow, dog, cat? It's cow. Do you drink milk every day? Which one helps you to see? Eyes, ears, nose? It's eyes. Can you blink your eyes fast? Which one is sweet and comes from bees? Honey, salt, lemon? It's honey. Which one is round and bounces? Ball, book, bread? It's ball. Which one can swim and quack? Duck, cat, cow? It's duck. Which one grows in the garden? Flower, car, burger? It's flower. Which one is used to eat soup? Spoon, pencil, toy? It's spoon. Which one lives in the jungle? Lion, cow, dog? A lion. Which one is yellow and curved? Banana, apple, grapes? It's banana. Do you like bananas? Which one can you ride? Bicycle, pizza, pillow? It's bicycle.